Here's my recipe for a smoked sweet potato pie. Now, you will see me put this in the oven, but I went and did another one in the smoker just to see the difference between the two. So, here you go. Now, if you're doing the smoked version, what you do is half the potatoes and smoke them on the grill for about 2 hours, but regular, you're going to peel them and throw them in some water to boil. But nonetheless, when your potatoes are done smoking, you're going to smush them together, get them in your mixer with your butter. You're going to mix that till it's quite smooth. After that, you will add the rest of the dry ingredients with your vanilla, your eggs, and everything else. Then you're just going to blend that all together in your mixer. Now you'll pour these in 9-inch deep pie crusts. These are the frozen pie crusts. Bake them for approximately 50 minutes. You're going to let them cool, and then you stick them in your refrigerator to set for about an hour. This was killer. I preferred smoked sweet potato pie, but check this recipe out. Not super sweet, more savory, but very delicious with a smoky twist. Follow some more. Check out our videos. Come find us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Bye.